Ka Office u District Sports Officer DSO Bhoi haga khatwei trik jemang kala penkut no ya kalumpong yelekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 Balai Skilenter Hamadan NSCA Stadium Farms in. Ya kalama lawan berpenhiar da uba Raja Brahma, Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi, hakajing dan langka kong PL Nonglai District School Education Officer Bhoi, ba Bobby L Nongbet District Sports Officer, ki Principal ki Nohikai bat ki spangod ki khana school. Haba phai shakaru komyal ekai jong ki khana school, kalalong shisha ka ba itanan, hakaba ki khana ki ya khonting e ban khoria ki takma nakbanta ka school. Napadeng ki lai photli ki school ba pher ka Bhoi, ka Saint Alfred Secondary School ka dei kala du, hadin ba kala yo khorbun e ki takma. U Raja Brahma ADC ka Bhoi, haba ajing kren ulaong, ka jingal ekai sports ka dei banlong ka weina ki mat ka badan kam e hakajing em jong ki brio, khamtam e ki khon samla, ki badang don hapadeng ka jing puli namar omtang ba kaya rap ya ka koit ka khya, henrei ru kapan pro e ka jingmut jing perkhat, bat ki khana ki bajumlin banyal ekai ki lait na ka jing klumar jingmun. Hadin ka jingalang u kongsan rengkat ki wei ki lasam takma, trophy bat sernot sha baro ki nong job haki jinga ko bapher.
The schools who are doing well in the academic board exams, I can see them they are doing well in sports activity too. So this shows the management quality of the schools. So this is a learning process for other schools to come. You know, the true management, they can improve the sports activity in the schools. We see that a lot of improvement comes only when we do some analysis. Students who take part in the sports is just like, you know, the first step to the management skills. They learn the management to organize, okay, the planning will come. Then there is in management school, this even the basics in the business organization is teach you the SWOT analysis, no? As WOT. What it means? The strength, the weakness, opportunity, right, and the threat. So these are the things you analyze to achieve your goal. So what I mean to say is that the simple analysis can really help you. Suppose today you have seen, you have winner, at the same time also they are the participant who could not do well. So those who could not do well, they could analyze what are my weakness, what are my strengths, what are my opportunities, what are my threats, okay? Then you can analyze yourself and you can improve.
Apart from physical, mental, I'd like to bring it to you today that sports, it's very important for the students because it's helping the students to release depression and stress and especially the busy schedule of your study. So don't leave sports. Take it as one of the important curricular activities which reduce stress and also make you active, mentally active, and also in social relationships.
Confirm 6-2.